Welcome to Gundam Pro's 19th Shipment Tower. In this tower we have 29 kits consisting of 17 high grades, 4 weapon sets, 2 figurized standard kits, 2 master grades, 2 entry grades, 1 30-minute sister kit, and a Pokemon kit. Let's start with Master Grades. For Master Grades, we received Gundam Dynamis and a few more Gundam Virtues. From Universal Century, we received Juagu, Unicorn version, Marasai, Unicorn version, RX-78 GP01, Gundam GP01, LM314V21, Victory 2 Gundam, Yonem Kirk's Zaku 1 Sniper Type, RGM-79Q GM Quell, RGM-79 Powered GM, RXO Unicorn Gundam, Unicorn Mode. From Build Fighters, we received Build Burning Gundam and Build Strike Gundam Full Package. From Kamen Rider, we received X-Aid and Den-O Sword Form. From Iron Blooded Orphans, Gundam Bale, Gundam Vidar, Gundam Gremory, Gundam Astaroth, Gundam Chimaris Vidar, and Gundam Barbados 6th Form. We received 2 entry grades, Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia, and Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Vegeta from Dragon Ball Super. We received Lulus from 30-Minute Sisters, Greninja from Pokemon, and the weapon sets are Binder Gun, Tertium Arms, 30-Minute Sisters Option Parts 3, and Tri-Slash Blade.